Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage fast charging on this device. First of all, you need to open device's settings. Then click on Battery and Device Care after scrolling down, and scroll down after choosing Battery. Over here, you need to select More Battery Settings and click on this switcher next to Fast Charging. As you can see, after that, fast charging is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same No Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!